Hi guys, it's Joe. I just wanted to share with you some of my June pages from my planner using the MommyLhey April Little Bits kit. And currently this is the planner that I'm using. It's a size A5 and it's a clear PVC hollow planner that I bought from Amazon. And so this is the month of June. So at the first page I just cut a piece of acetate from the kit. So basically everything I used is from the MommyLhey kit, and if it's not, I'll let you guys know. But this is a clear acetate that I made. I just cut it to size and I punch out the holes. This right here, this washi card, is actually a post-it note that I laminated and punched the holes. This washi tape is from the kit, and then these two are from my own personal stash. It just looks like that, and I decided to just punch the holes so that it's in the middle of the planner. And then the second part right here, this is the actual post-it notes that came in the kit. This is a bookmark, a die cut, another die cut right here, and then this thick sheet right here is from one of the backings in one of the packaged goodies in the box. And then I laminated it all together, and then I adhere the post-it notes to it, and then I punched the holes so it could be a page marker, but I just kept it in the front. And then behind it is just a vellum sheet that came in the kit. I just cut it to size and punched the holes so it looks like that when it's closed. And then the planner pages that I'm using, I bought it at Tuesday Morning. I think it's Jelly Bean Soup that is the brand, so it gives me the month at a glance. So this is June. I used some stickers, some washi tape, some more stickers, and then all these stickers came in the kit. I can list goals here, birthdays, important dates, and to-dos. So that is like my month at a glance for June. And then this monthly spread here is the whole month, again using lots of die cuts, washi tape. The stamp images are from the actual April kit, so it's this one right here. I used "You Are Magical" right there, some stars, this little love sign right there, some tulips I put right here. And that's it from this stamp set. This one is MommyLhey. It's Bring It On. It does not come in the kit, but I have this stamp set. I used the Wash My Hair, the Today stamp right there, It's My Day right here. I was gonna use this one, but then I changed my mind, and then I just put a sticker above it. So yeah, that's all MommyLhey stuff. And then this alpha set right here is from Lawn Fawn. It's called Milo's ABCs. I really love this font style, so I spelled out the daily marker 30-day challenge. And then these stamps right here, Water, and then the little droplet, it's from Sweet Stamp Shop. It's from the One Plan with Words stamp set, and I used the water image right there, and then I stamped it out multiple times. I go to Target a lot, so I use the My Sweet Spot image from Planner Besties. It's not specifically for Target, but I love how it looks like a Target icon, and it is my sweet spot, so I used it for that. And then also this little medical icon right here for a doctor's appointment. I put it's from this set, Just Icons. It's Sweet Stamp Shop again, and it has different icons there, but I used this one, the medical one. And yeah, so this is the June month. And then also I just want to show you what I did for a weekly layout. So again, I used a lot of the die cuts in the kit. Some stickers, some more stickers right there, another foiled hollow sticker right here, some washi, and if I don't have a lot to write out, or there's just a certain section of the pages that I don't want to use, I just covered it with washi tape right here. And then these little icons right here, the house, the washing machine, the car, it's all from Sweet Stamp Shop. And then the car is from Aaron's, and then the washing machine and the house is from Home Plans, so Sweet Stamp Shop. And then for birthday balloons, I used the balloons stamp set, and this is from Sweet Stamp Shop. And yeah, I just used these images here, and then I used the one of the balloon strings. I stamped it out, and then I just colored it in with my highlighters. So that is my one of the June weeklies. This is the June month spread. This is the June month at a glance. So that is my June planner pages, and it's all using, majority of it using the MommyLhey Little Bits kit from April, and I still have a lot left over to complete more pages and more projects. But I just wanted to share with you what I did for June, and thanks for watching. Bye.